tengam la shuban batai dang miki swiki por kata pidang pernai donu jonga uki bedik shidik la long be tekum baya shatha ka por picnic ular pi treya nga kongbi ngakular ya ketengan amde meru la da pikloi ban treya wanting ngalabe kapasa
What's up, everyone?
We come back again, guys.
Africa boys. Africa to the world.
Bangla.
Shillong, Meghalaya, Northeast
Mahalla
India.
boys.
Yeah, hope everyone is doing well. And today we are back with a suggested video by the title Treyanga KONGBIH. Just tell us what does the meaning. What does it mean, guys? KONGBIH. What does it mean? So it's our first time. Actually, so many people suggested this. They told me do reaction on this.
Okay.
And guys, there is no subtitle there, so we are not going. Maybe we will not understand, but we will go with the.
We'll try.
We'll try to understand according to
what
the
I'm
vibe,
saying.
according to the video, and we'll tell you.
Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe,
Don't forget
write,
join
anything,
the African
anything.
family. And this is Mr. Handsome. You already know him.
Yeah.
Mr.
See you
Handsome
again,
or a name.
And name.
Ya,
Yeah, Mayas. Okay. Gabsgabitv. Sudanese.
Our
back
famous.
here. Yeah.
Our
Without wasting
family.
time, let's start, man. Do it now. Subscribe. Let's go.
Start.
Amos Studio is sponsored by. Get him get a name. You got this. Take a tennis to the other kid. Get up the video and let's go.
Man la kesmi nga ap ya pi hasurap tang ban yo pe ya duk mat bat body jong pi kin de tok las lem ya pi marwe bangala trang na marak mat jong api pin be pi pin ni bang jing fe kong jong pi tengam la shuban batai dang mi kis ki por kata pi dang pernai donu jonga uki be dik shi dik la long be thik kumbaya shatha ka por picnic jing fe kong jong pi tengam la shuban batai dang miki swiki por kata pidang pernai donu jonga uki be dik shi dik la long be thik kumbaya shatha ka por picnic ular pi treya nga kongbi ngakular ya ketengan amde meru la da pi kloi ban treya wanting ngalabe kapasa
I can understand something.
I was drunk, but when I see you,
No.
I stopped with the drunk.
You think he was drunk?
Yeah.
What about you? What
Yeah,
do you
even
think?
me, yeah.
No, he didn't say like that. What do you think?
No, he threw beer.
Wait.
Threw beer.
First
She was
he
the
showed
bottle,
you.
yeah, the bottle.
Ah.
And after that,
Yeah,
He
he
threw
threw
it.
it. Yeah, he threw it.
So
And
what
after that,
does
he
he
like that.
mean? He showed the bottle and then again he showed the.
I stopped
Maybe she
drunk
don't like someone
because of
like
you.
Wait, one by one. One tell. What do you mean?
Okay. He shows a bottle.
Okay.
And after that, he throw it. And after that, he do it like that. Means when I see you, I stop the drink. And after that, he show
You
he
show
has
the
the
money.
money. I have a lot of money.
Okay, what about you? Is it
Same,
same?
yeah, same.
Okay.
Same.
For me, I think like.
What did you mean?
For me, what I think, because there is no subtitle, guys, we are just guessing what this guy was telling, right? So for me, I think like he showed that because of my love to you, I will leave drinking. Like I'll stop.
Yeah.
I'll stop drinking.
Okay,
alcohol.
why
Maybe
he
the
show
money.
the money? Why? For what, man?
Maybe he showed
The
the
money is
money.
the most
Okay,
important something in
he
the
showed
world,
the
bro.
money.
For girl, exactly. Understand?
You know, all guys love
Understand,
money.
bro.
Like this.
Yeah, like that. You have money.
nganyalon ya pisha smitcha sora ngat temru ta kijing wai ba het soda to agikti ye shalang pi banga ola rapi treya nga kongbi ngakular ya ketengan amde sakaweru la da pi kloi ban treya nga warenting ngalabeng kapisa ale ya le kai banga nganyalam ya pisha smitcha sora ngat temru ta kijing wai ba het soda to agikti ye shalang pi banga
Good
kampat kot Usnam tumai ulawan menta Ngakula rap ya piban shirta Usnam bareng mulakot Enraging ejong ngaya pi kampat kot Usnam tumai ulawan menta Ngakula rap ya piban shirta Top diang no inga kung mo boyfriend jong pi Yo pi babes musik kelapa na wegas ngi Kung ba pi hero pi yo iba mentaki syumrang Lai na ngamar we bun kiba syupin betun bang Top diang no inga kung mo boyfriend jong pi Yo pi babes musik kelapa na wegas ngi Kung ba pi hero pi yo iba mentaki syumrang Lai na ngamar we bun kiba syupin betun bang Mula da pi Treya nga KONGBIH Lari ya ketengan omble Sakaweru lada pikloi bantreya nga Wanti ngalab yang kapisa Ale ya lekai banga Nanyalam yang kisah spesial sora Nganti tempo daki jing haga hit soda To agikti ya shalang ti banga
Bro, that's nice. Let's dance a man. Oh, they're all dancing now. Like that break dance.
Yeah.
Okay, it's over, man.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah, it's over.
Nice video, guys.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah,
The areas, everything.
it's kind of a lovely song, right?
Yeah, lovely
It's a
song.
love song, and the guy is expressing his feeling. He's telling what he can do and what he can avoid, so that he will just get the girl. Like he will avoid alcohol, weed. That's what we understood from the video, right?
Yeah.
He can do everything for us.
Just love-
Even
just love
money.
him.
He tell us,
Yeah.
I'll give
Money.
you how much you want.
How many you
How
want?
much you want, just to be with us.
I told
Okay.
before, the money is important something for the girls.
Yeah, you know.
The most important something for the girls.
Every love story, money is important. you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what else? What do you like? Yeah, they will speak in Arabic. Yeah, speak in Arabic. If you don't know Arabic, that's your problem. Okay?
Yeah.
They will speak in Arabic now. And decision, what's good you saw in this video? A decision of a video. Regis. He said the dance is nice. Yeah, exactly. That boy, man.
Even it is so nice.
Okay, he was telling about
For me,
Yeah.
the area,
The area.
the view,
Yeah.
the video design, everything is nice.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
camera also is very clear.
Yeah, they-
like
So
that.
clear.
That boy dance was super amazing. I think he's kind of professional dancer. He was so fast and he can easily dance. And the
We will
location,
come.
guys.
We will come to
The
learn from
location,
you, bro. We
yeah.
will come to learn from you, bro.
The area location where they recorded that.
The location is good, man.
It's nice.
Yeah, for
Everything is
video.
nice.
So nice.
Yeah, this video is amazing, guys. And yeah, tell us shipekarpek. What does it mean?
Shipekarpek, what does that mean?
Shipekarpek. What does it mean? Shipekarpek.
Right in the comment, guys.
Okay. Thank you so much. Don't forget
Thank you.
subscribe.
Like, guys.
No, they
Like,
don't. No,
subscribe.
it's another meaning. Like, guys, share the video with your friends,
Our
with your
fam.
school group,
Share, guys.
with your family.
This is your friend.